Alright, so I'm in kind of a conundrum, people. I'm in kind of a conundrum. But anyhow, if you're new, thanks for watching. You could subscribe if you feel like. No rush, no pressure. But this is the E36 behind me. And the last part should be in. And hopefully, if my boy has time, he can get it back together and hopefully running this weekend. It's possible. Not a guarantee, but it is possible. We'll see. But my conundrum is this. I don't know what to do. I really want the B5S4 from the last video. Link in the description if you don't know what I'm talking about. Sick. Nice build. Got in contact with the person who built it. So, you know, it's good. It's good. It's good. Good things. It's really good. But another thing, it's like I can either buy that and slowly finish this, like, you know, supercharger, wide body, bags, blah blah blah, and just do that over time, you know, probably like by summertime. Or I can get something decent, pretty cool daily, probably like a turbo wagon or turbo SUV or a different S5, S4, something, or truck, I don't know, anything, and then put the money into the 36. So that's where I'm at right now. I don't know if I want to get that S5 right now or get this running, which doesn't need much because I have everything, it's just the time, and do the wide body, bags, wheels, supercharger. You know, I have to get a hood anyway. I actually might go look into ordering one of those right now, but you know, get this thing done, and then, you know, that'll be that. I'll probably have, like, if it's raining this weekend, I'll probably finish it by like March-ish. So yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know what to do. So that's where I'm at right now. If anything, what I do is probably get like just a regular daily of any price, like really doesn't matter, and then try to do it as cheap and as possible in a running car, and then get that done, or get the S5. I know a lot of people are gonna want me to get the S5. I also want to get the S5, but it's like I thought about it. I can put the money into the E36 and have that thing done in less than 2 months, or have the E36 done in like 6 to 8 months. So I don't know. But like the E36, like it will be running, tuned and everything, really soon. Hopefully within the next 2 weeks max, but if possible this weekend. But yeah, leave a comment in the description and let me know what you guys think. Happy Friday, everyone. And also, I may be getting some new camera equipment. Well, not may, I will. I just don't know exactly what I want. Again, indecisive. But I'm probably going to end up just going with a DJI Osmo Pocket, get some ND filters and whatever else, and then just call it that, instead of getting like a big professional rig for right now, because I'd rather get that little DJI camera and maybe like a GoPro and then set it all up. But I don't think I would need the GoPro if I had the Osmo Pocket. But yeah, I'll probably just end up doing that. But thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, help me out, and let me know what you guys think.